Then hello brothers, today I will show you how. Check members in the group, members who live or die. Where is virtual member? Normally, people will come in here. Now I have a utility, it's good to check you out. Which member is the doll? Where is virtual and where is dead? Account lol and so on. Go to Google and search for Facebook. ToonKid Ha. ToonKid.com, enter. Then at this step, you press here for yourself. Did you click here? When it's done, come back. Click on it and it'll show this. Here are the right mouse brothers for me. Click on this part, you can see clearly, press here. Wait a minute, now we have one. Files like this. Hey guys, come back to Google. On the top right hand side, click the 3 dots. Then find yourself an extension. And manage utilities. When you get to this step, you turn it on. For me, that's a mode for developers. Go up here. Then we'll see where the utility is. Unpacked. Please click here. Then we did it earlier. Choose this. Select checkbox. So that's it. We just need to show it up. Put it on, man. Did you see it jump out? We just need to open it up. This utility is very good. It can scan virtual members, a series or many things. In this video, I will show you how scan virtual members of Group Ha. I have a group here called the Account Trading Community. This is FIFA Mobile. 49.8K members. It will show the groups that I hold. Administrator Ha here, please note for me. To that, if you can scan a member of the group, you have to hold it. Administrator Ha. The administrator can scan it correctly. Check start scanning now. Then we'll wait for it to scan. So this utility is really cool. Is it a mass posting or a deletion? Or support, delete spam or join the group en masse or leave the group. Use it for brothers. 200 groups or something. This is a very good management. I don't need a hard to get in here. Delete them one by one, brothers. So it's scanned. Did you see anything? Virtual Book is up to 7,000 members. Cheat 7,000 to Ha. Nick belts are the nicks that are dead. And then like our brothers, we use Facebook. Those nicks are dead, right? If it's locked or disabled, that's 3,000. 30,000 too, and these are the nick clones. Then this utility, it distinguishes for you which Facebook ACCs are clones. Clone is also. Just like my brothers, real users only use it. 73%, that's 36,000 members. Ha, 364,000 members, so it's scanned for us exactly. The members, I am currently in this group. It will help our brothers to be able to group pricing, or there are ways to build a more effective team. Hey guys, thank you for following up. If you feel good, please give me a like and a subscribe, brothers. Don't forget to ring the alarm to wait for the video. Next I will guide. Brother, use a lot of the beauty of this utility. Say goodbye and see you guys.